Next story is with another SPAC called NextGen Acquisition, and the stock ticker symbol is NGAC, and they're looking to take the EV truck maker Xos public. And what Xos does is they are an electric truck company. They currently work with a couple of large large delivery companies such as UPS. They had a trial run with UPS. UPS doesn't have a major deal with them. They're looking to maybe sign a long-term deal with them if they like the vehicles they deliver. It's similar to if you think of, let's say, a Workhorse. This company is more comparable to a Workhorse, but again, all of these companies are in the very early stages. You guys have been asking me about Xos Trucks. It's still very early on with them, and this SPAC and these rumors. Remember, NGAC is the SPAC that's in rumors to take them public. It isn't even official yet. So you just have to remember that if you invest in them, again, just like Lucid Motors, this isn't official. This is only talks. And on top of all that, Xos is a very small company. While they do have some work that has been done with UPS, they've only delivered a handful of trucks, and it is still extremely early on for this company. Things could go right. You can make a lot of money, but the risk is still very high right now, as they have not delivered, like tens of thousands of vehicles, and they're not like an established player in this market, and it's only rumors still with NGAC. So we'll have to wait and see what happens there.